Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I am on crash 900 index and I'm on the daily time frame. As you can see, I have some trades running already. A single trade is running currently and I am in some deep profits. All right, so I'll be showing you how I was able to quickly analyze this pair and how I was able to predict the move, and I'm already in profits, like you can see. All right, I think I'm in, let me see what's the current profit here. Oh, this is the sell limit I set. I think the trade I actually entered is this one right here. Let me try to close. It will show this is about $144 in profit still running. All right. Okay, with the losses of 1.0. So as you can see, this is one of the recent pairs in the Reeve, and this is crash 900 index. It was added in the month of hold on. Yeah, it was added in the month of I think August this year, 2024, and it has been buying nicely. Then it started selling. All right, so now it started selling correctively. All right, so if you understand our continuation strategy, you understand what this means. That this is actually a pullback from the market to continue buying, and then the market finally bought. You see, it broke through because you can easily place a trend line right here to mark the sales, and a resistive trend line and a supportive trend line right here, and you can see the market finally bought and broke above this zone and got to this highest point the market had gone to previously. All right, so you can see now the market is selling nicely. The market wants to sell back. This sales it's trying to do is a kind of the market is trying to do a kind of a retest. That's what I'm saying. The market wants to do a retest because based on our continuation strategy, this is a pullback and the market wants to continue buying. The market wants to be bullish though. So we want to see the market selling down to some zones. There's maybe a particular level, then you continue buying. So I'm saying this as a kind of a pullback for now, though we don't know the market's intentions. But from this structure we have here, it's a clear indication the market would just want to sell to certain level and continues buying. This is what I'm seeing on this particular time frame. All right, so on going to the 4 hourly time frame, you can see that the market actually, that structure we saw on the daily time frame is even more clear, more more clear right here. I don't know what's wrong with this MT5. It doesn't want to respect, these objects are not actually respecting where I put them to be. One moment guys, I'm trying to put this trend line. Maybe I won't have to put the trend line, it doesn't work. Just take note of what I'm showing you. Actually, you can see the sales, that the market has been doing, and it broke out. Now the market got to this level, so I actually saw the market. I opened the chart on the 15 minutes time frame and I saw this opportunity. This is what I saw. I saw this on the 15 minutes time frame. What did I see, guys? Where did I see it? I saw it at this particular, so I saw the market around here. So when I looked at this, I noticed the market had already created a higher high at this point, then came back and went below this recent low. This is the recent higher low the market created. So there's actually a change of character here, and I noticed there is a zone here where the market had sold from previously. So since I found the market around here, I quickly entered my trade and placed a stop loss. My stop loss, though, is not here. I was waiting if the market would just go up above this high here. I will enter. I will close the trade. So my stop loss was literally around this zone here, around this level here. All right. So because of the market movement, I actually decided to place a sell limit order here. In case the market maybe decides not to sell immediately, then wants to buy first before continuing the sales. All right, so I just placed this sell limit order at this point, but it's not really important anyway. Let me delete it. At the moment, I do not need it, so it has been deleted, as you can see. So this is the current trade that is running. So at some point when the market went below this level, I was expecting to come back to retest this level, then it continued with the sales. So that's why I entered another sell limit order at this point for the market to come back. I'm not sure we'll remove that one immediately. I'll still allow it to be because there is a chance the market will still come back to this zone, then retest to continue the sales. So I might still leave that particular one to be. But currently you can see the market is in deep. I am in deep profit, profit of over $140. All right, so you can see the massive buys and the potential of the sales is going to be massive, guys. Multiple spikes. And if you look at it on the 1 minute time frame, you'll see the spikes. You'll see the massive spikes right from here where it started. You can see the massive spikes. You can see the massive spikes, guys. You can see. All right. So as it is right now, and you can also confirm that the market right now has where is let me go down to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's look at where I put my TP. The market had even given me about $193 before now. Before it's correct, is pulling back to up to that 140 we saw. So I'm still expecting the market to continue selling and selling and selling till even beyond where I have my TP right here, because I don't want to be too greedy. Once I get a reasonable amount of money, I can leave the trade for others to also make their own. It's not actually as if we are I don't know what to say at that point, but it feels so good when you enter trades and you see profit, and based on the fact that I understand where the market is actually heading, so it gives me more confidence to hold the trade. All right, so maybe once I make up to $300, I can just close the trade, and then I can open on that position because it's going to be some long sales. But also, I noticed something on the 4-hourly time frame, guys. Look at this. Where is the 4-hourly time frame? I noticed something. Now, we want to expect the market to be buying. If the market will be buying, then we should expect some kind of stuff on the chart. And what would that be? Looking at what we have here, right, you can see that the market, this is actually a high that the market created, and this is a low. Now, this is a higher high. Now, it should be that the market is coming back to create a higher low for the market to continue bullish. So where do we expect the higher low to be? I can easily expect the market to create the higher low somewhere around this zone, because where we have these sales is almost exactly where we have some buys previously. So then I would want to bring out the Fibonacci retracement tool to measure and see if the market, if the 61.8 is in line with this same level. The 61.8 and the 50% is actually around this same zone. So you can see that is actually around that same zone. So we expect the market to actually sell around this zone. Let me use a horizontal line to mark. Then we can easily trace if there is anything there, any form of buying activity along this red line that we just placed. I'm taking off this Fibonacci retracement tool. Then let's go back and see. So you can see there has been some buys and sells around this zone previously. We have market broke out and retested this zone. This is the sales. It created a kind of, I don't know, no, I'm not sure, this might be a supply zone, I don't know, but you can see some buys here. This another activity, consolidation. Market is respecting this zone, either breaking above or breaking below, sorry, either retesting or consolidating around that same zone. So it's an important zone. So the market can possibly come down to this zone. You can see the sales around the same zone, regardless of the fact I'm using a single line to draw. If the market comes here, there's a chance it can reverse. So you might want to see some confirmation before you do that. If you happen to see the market coming back to this zone, do not jump into any trade, guys. Try to see some confirmations that the market is actually going to buy. Then you nicely enter the buy trade and make some cool profit from the market, guys. All right, so it's as simple as that. You can be catching multiple spikes with just this kind of stuff. What actually gave me the confirmation was the change of character I saw on the daily time, on the 15 minutes time frame. It's even here on the 1 hourly time frame. You can still see it on the 1 hourly time frame. You can see the market. So this is the highest low it created, then created this higher high, came back, couldn't create another higher high, but changed character at this point, and the market started selling on getting back to this same zone that had been selling previously. Is a kind of a key level at this point. You see the massive sales to the downside. So that is it, guys. It's as simple as that, and you make your profit regularly. And also take note, you must not always be holding trades before you see yourself to be a professional trader, or you're making profit. You can just be taking some good profits regularly, and your mind will be at rest, and you're making profit. You don't need to be holding trades for days before. I don't know, there's no title for that, guys. Just make profit, make money, withdraw, make money, withdraw. Sometimes holding trade is risky, especially if your analysis is not that too good, or your level of understanding of the market is not good enough to hold the trade. Do not hold it. Don't be misled by anybody. Do what you know is good enough for you guys. Ensure you are withdrawing on a regular basis, guys. That's a very important thing to do. And also take note, I talked about remote jobs in the US that's available in the US currently, and I'll be holding a webinar very soon. So the information about the US available US jobs is on my. You're gonna find it on my Telegram channel. I'll be updating it, you guys soon on the Telegram channel. So click the link in the description of this video to get to the Telegram channel and wait for the update when the event is going to take place, because I'll try to reveal some stuff. I've worked in so many companies online before, and I know about some that are still recruiting and are paying. You know, some used to work based on my country, Nigeria, but some of those companies now do not have opportunities for Nigerians. But so you go to foreign countries like the US and UK, they still have opportunity. That's why I'm really emphasizing on people who have people there. If you know you have somebody in the US that trusts you and you trust the person, it is a legitimate job, then you do not want to miss this opportunity. You make some good killing, you make some good money, guys, I'm telling you. And it will help you to fund your account to trade, you know, make some good money on a regular basis. So more of that information will be in the Telegram channel. Just click on that link and go there and wait for the information. Keep your eye on the channel and wait for updates on when that event is going to happen, guys. All right, so till that the webinar, see you guys. Meanwhile, like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. All right, subscribe to this channel if you've not done that yet. All right, see you in my next video. Stay blessed and peace out.